Chinese doctor said, "This mixture of garlic and olive oil can keep you away from doctors, and that with just these two ingredients." And in the end, he teaches the right way to use it. Garlic and olive oil have become indispensable in our home. They make all the difference in culinary recipes and make our food much tastier. But since both are fruits of nature, they can also help us take care of our health and protect our organs from various diseases. Olive oil is highly appreciated in the Mediterranean diet, which is known as the best in the world. One of the reasons is the use of extra virgin olive oil, because if you're going to use olive oil, it has to be extra virgin, preferably in dark glass packaging. Do you know why it has to be this packaging? Because extra virgin olive oil doesn't like light. When it's exposed to light, it oxidizes and loses all its nutrients. Dark glass packaging prevents this from happening. Did you know that? Olive oil is also full of good and healthy monounsaturated fats. But in olive oil, the most wonderful active component is undoubtedly oleic acid. About 70% of extra virgin olive oil is composed of it. This acid is related to reducing inflammation and even cancer cells. It also reduces cellular residue, which are the so-called free radicals. Extra virgin olive oil can be a powerful ally for those who want to lose weight and reduce body fat, and it also helps maintain cardiovascular health. Olive oil can be very good and prevent diseases that attack our brain. A study in humans indicated that the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in olive oil, benefits brain function and also boosts brain stimuli to improve concentration, focus, and our senses. Do you want to continue receiving health tips on your cell phone? Comment below "I want," so you can continue receiving our tips and recipes made especially for you. Regarding garlic, the best way is to consume it raw because it loses some nutrients when exposed to very high temperatures or when mixed with other components. However, people hardly like to consume raw garlic because it has a very strong flavor, and it's still difficult to get rid of that flavor in the mouth. But know that just 1 clove of garlic a day can save you from many diseases. Garlic is a very powerful natural antibiotic to treat infections and inflammations. Many infections caused by various types of bacteria can be treated with garlic, which is why it's so effective and used as a natural preservative. In the past, people made many garlic syrups to treat respiratory infections, as well as infusions and inhalations. But garlic has other benefits besides treating inflammations and infections. It also helps increase respiratory functions due to the high concentration of expectorant and antiseptic properties. With these properties, it can promote and facilitate breathing. Therefore, garlic becomes effective in treating many conditions that affect breathing, such as flu, cough, cold, snoring, asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, and other problems that can affect our lungs. With regular consumption of garlic, we can also fight viruses, bacteria, fungi, because it's rich in allicin. We can also fight colon cancer due to the presence of diallyl sulfides. We also prevent atherosclerosis, which is a disease that affects the arteries. By consuming garlic regularly, we can reduce high cholesterol and triglycerides and thus protect our heart from diseases caused by high cholesterol levels. Garlic is also great for helping the liver to perform its functions normally because it eliminates fat from the organ, reducing the risk of many liver diseases. Garlic can also improve our bone health, greatly reducing the loss of mineral content in bone structure and increasing estrogen in women, which is great, especially for those going through menopause. To make this garlic oil recipe, you'll need 5 cloves of garlic, a little extra virgin olive oil, and a glass jar. It can even be another empty olive oil container. First, you should peel the garlic cloves. Then take a toothpick and poke each clove of garlic well. After that, place the pierced garlic cloves inside the jar. Then put the extra virgin olive oil in the glass container along with the garlic. Cover and shake well. Then you should store the jar in the cupboard, in a place that doesn't get direct light, and you'll leave this jar stored for 10 days. If possible, shake the jar once a day. After the 10 days, it'll be ready for consumption. It's recommended to ingest 2 tablespoons of this mixture daily on an empty stomach. So, did you like today's tips?